Hello everyone, welcome to Kwiation Engineering YouTube channel. Alright, so today I took the seventh lesson under AT chapter 21 pressurization. So if you still not watched the previous videos regarding AT chapter 21 pressurization, please watch. I will put the my playlist link in my description, and also I want to tell I will start in Udemy my training, my aircraft maintenance some courses, so you can join through this one. So still I'm preparing, so maybe the next video I will put the link. So if you want to join, you can click this link and you can purchase and you can buy this course. And also if you want to learn free, so you just subscribe this Kwiation Engineering YouTube channel and you can learn free of charge. All right, so no need to talk a lot, so let's go to the lesson. All right, okay, so this is the lesson 88 chapter 21 air conditioning system pressurization, lesson number 7, system monitoring interfaces. All right, okay, this is the lesson content. Number 1, flight warning computer, and number 2, SDAC, system data acquisition concentrator, and CFDIU, centralized fault display interface unit, and cabin pressure panel and under SDACs, and safety valves and SDAC. All right, okay, so let's go to the first lesson, flight warning computer. All right, you can see there are 2 flight warning computers, and it is the controllers send discrete signals to flight warning computer 1 and flight warning computer 2, right? So this is the rear avionics compartment, is situated in the 86 VU rack in the rear avionics compartments, right? This is the flight warning computer number 2, right? Okay, so in case of excessive cabin altitude, right? In case of excessive cabin altitude in manual mode, controller number 1 and the discrete signals to both flight warning computers for level 3 warnings, right? In case of excessive cabin altitude in manual mode, controller number 1 send and the discrete signals, okay, sorry, not and, there should be send, right? So in case of excessive cabin altitude in manual mode, controller 1 send, right, the discrete signal to both warnings computers for level 3 warnings, right? So flight warning computer signals excessive cabin altitudes 9,550 feet and used in manual mode, right? This is signals from controller 1 manual part only, right? So not each manual part is separated electrically supplied part, right? Okay, so the next one, SDACs. SDAC means system data acquisition concentrator, right? So you can see there are 2 SDACs, right? So both controllers send arring and discrete signal, right? Both controllers send arring signals here, the yellow color, and the discrete signals to system data acquisition concentrator, SDAC. Okay, so controller 1 manual backup part, right? Controller 1 manual backup part also send 3 analog signals used when the system is operating in manual mode. Okay, so this is also situated, system data acquisition concentrator situated in the rear avionics compartment, right? So now the system data acquisition concentrator signals warning and indications, right? Signals are warning and indications and used in auto mode, arring and discrete signal from both controls. In auto mode, arring and discrete signal, in auto mode, arring and discrete signals from both controllers, and the manual mode, 3 analog signals from controller 1 only, right? You can see the this is the analog signal, right? This comes from controller 1 only when in manual mode, right? Okay, now the CFDIU, right? Centralized fault display interface unit, right? So here is a CFDIU, right? This is the real picture, CFDIU. So both controllers, right? Both controllers send byte data, right? Both controllers send byte data to centralized fault interface unit via arring buses, right? Both controllers will send byte data to CFDIU through the arring buses. You can see controller 1 send byte data to CFDIU and controllers 2 send byte data to CFDIU through arring, right? And this data sends continuously on request. It means if you only request through CFDIU, and this moment only the controller 1 or controller 2 will send the byte data to them, right? Byte means built-in test equipment, right? So the centralized fault display interface unit signals are byte data, it means built-in test equipment data, and used in CFDS monitoring. Okay, right. Next one is CIDS, it means cabin intercommunication data system, right? Here is cabin intercommunication data system. So in case of excessive cabin altitude, right? In case of excessive cabin altitude, the pressure control, right? The pressure controller send discrete, the pressure controllers, right? Two pressure controllers send discrete signals to the cabin intercommunication data system, right? So the cabin intercommunication data system signals are excess cabin altitude, right? 11,300 feet, and used in passenger side. It is used for the passenger sides, right? Okay, next one is cabin pressure panel. Okay, you can see this is the cabin pressure panel, right? So in case of failure of both automatic systems, right? In case of failure of both automatic systems, the controller, right? The controller send the discrete signal. Remember, in case of both automatic system fails, at this time the controllers will send the discrete signals to pressure control panel or pressure panel for fault light illumination. Okay, in this case the fault light will be illuminate, right? So the cabin pressure panel, the signals are failure of both automatic system and used to fault light illumination, right? Fault light illumination. Right, next one is cabin pressure panel or SDAC, right? Cabin pressure panel and SDAC. So in manual mode, right? If the pressurization system in manual mode, the manual mode selection signals is sent from the pressure panel to both SDAC, right? Manual mode selection signals, right? Manual mode selection signals sent from the pressure panel to both SDACs, right? You can see these are the discrete signals, right? So the cabin pressure panel SDAC signals are manual mode selections and used in ECAM display, right? Next one, safety valves SDAC. The safety valves position signals are sent to both SDAC, right? Safety valve position signals also sent to both SDACs via discrete signals. Okay, you can see safety valves, two safety valves is there, you can see there. So this position signals will send to both SDACs via discrete signals. Okay, so the safety valve SDAC signals are safety valve position and used in ECAM display. It is used for ECAM display, right? Okay, yeah, that is the end of this lesson. All right, so let's go to the some two questions. Right, okay, the first question is, in manual mode, warning and indications come from, right? Answer A, controller 1, answer B, controller 2, and answer C, the outflow valve. Okay, can you guess what should be the answer? Yeah, the answer is answer A is come from controller 1. Okay, I teach you only in manual mode, controller 1 signals send signals to warning and indications, right? In flight warning computers, to warning computers, right? So the second one, cabin pressure fault light, right? Cabin pressure fault lights comes on when? Cabin pressure fault lights comes on when, right? Answer A, automatic system 1 fail, and both automatic system fails and manual system fails. Okay, so what should be the answer? Yeah, the answer is answer B, both automatic system fails, right? Okay, yeah, that is the end of this lesson. Okay, thank you for participating in this lesson. So the next lesson is the last lesson under it is chapter 21, pressurization. You will going to learn about pressurization component descriptions. All right, okay, thank you very much because you still with my Kwiation engineering, and if you have friends or relatives or someone who like to learn about aircraft maintenance, please share this YouTube channel and please tell them to subscribe. And also, if you have any questions, please comment below, so I will try to answer. And I want to again I want to remind you, I'm going to start some aircraft maintenance courses in Udemy website. So if anyone who is interesting about aircraft maintenance, you can purchase. So I'm going to put very small prices, so you can purchase the lesson. So in this video I just only remind you, so maybe the next video I will put the link in my description, so you can go to these courses by click this link. So especially I'm talking about aircraft maintenance introductions, and also some of the lessons, and also I'm going to teach about some of the courses related to aircraft maintenance organization, the structure, right? So you can learn so many informations regarding these lessons. So and if you want to learn about free about Airbus training, so you can subscribe Kwiation Engineering channel. So this place also very good for you. All right, so and also I want to tell again, please subscribe Kwiation Engineering, so it will be a very good motivations for me. And also please share these videos in Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, anywhere. And also share these videos with your friends, relatives, and anyone who would like to learn about aircraft maintenance. Yeah, that's all for today. Have a good day for all of you.